Hello, in this video I'm going to solve this problem for you. A function is given to you and a point is also given on the graph of the function, and we want to find an equation for the line that is tangent to the graph of the function at this point. And of course it is very easy to see that this point is indeed on the graph of the function. Why? Because if I replace the x's that appear in the function with the x value 2, this becomes 2 over 2, 1, 2 over 2 again, 1, and plus 1, 3, and the y coordinate is 3. So this confirms that indeed this point is on the curve. This is of crucial importance because sometimes they can ask to find an equation of a line which is tangent to the graph of the function from a point outside the graph of the function. So you need to investigate which one is which. So it is more or less crucial to understand that this point is on this graph. Okay? Then this is the simple problem. So what I will do, I have to differentiate the function. But to differentiate the function, I change it a little bit so that it fits to the differentiation rules. Instead of writing this as a fraction, I write it as a product, as 1 over 2x. That's the same thing. And this one, I can bring x up. It becomes 2x to the power of minus 1 and then plus 1. And of course, you know that I want to use this formula of the derivative, which tells me that if this is variable, this is constant, and I want to differentiate, this exponent goes down, then x to the power of 1 unit less. That is the differentiation rule that I want to use. The consequence of this is, of course, the derivative of x is 1, because here in this case the power is 1, so 1 x to power 0, but x to power 0 is 1. Okay, so let us differentiate. So y prime, the derivative of this, it's a multiplicative constant multiplied by the derivative of x, which is 1, so I don't need to write it. This one is this formula in which n is equal to minus 1. So n goes down, it means minus 1 goes down. I have a plus 2 here, minus 1 goes down, and then x to the power of minus 1, minus 1. Yes, because here n is also minus 1, so it becomes minus 2. But the derivative of the constant is 0. Okay, so let me simplify it a little bit. 1/2 is just a good number. Let me copy and paste. These two multiplied, it becomes minus 2 and x to power minus 2. Okay, but I prefer to work with positive exponents. I bring it down again. I moved it up because I wanted to use this formula. But then when it is done, I bring it back to make the exponent positive. So it becomes minus 2 over x squared. This is the derivative. But if I want to find the slope of the tangent line, I have to replace the x value, the x variables in the derivative with the x coordinate of the point of tangency. So the slope, so let me call this slope k, is y prime calculated at the x coordinate of the point of tangency 2. So then it becomes 1 over 2 minus 2 over 2 to the power of 2. 1 over 2, 2 over 4, which is again 1 over 2, minus 1 over 2, which becomes 0. So this means that the slope of the tangent line is 0. If the slope is 0, it means the line is horizontal. You can solve this graphically. So you say that this is the point of tangency. X is 2, y is 3. This is my point, t, 2 and 3. And I realize that the k value is 0, so the tangent line on the one hand is supposed to pass through this point, on the other hand is horizontal. So this will be your line. And everyone knows that if I have a horizontal line passing through this point of at the height 3, it is simply y equals to 3. Okay, this is one way. Another way is, of course, you can write the formula y minus y naught equals to k times x minus x naught. Here, x naught and y naught are the coordinates of the point of tangency or any other point on the line, but we don't have access to any other points on the tangent line except this point, so this is inevitable. We have to use those coordinates. But k is 0, so I will write y minus y naught is 3, k is 0, x minus x naught, which is 2, but of course it doesn't matter because multiplied by 0 it gives me 0. So y minus 3 is equal to 0. If I move 3 to the other side, y becomes 3. Okay, so I hope that this video was useful for you. Until the next video, be safe and goodbye. Thank you.